What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing well, and welcome if you're new to the channel. If you've been here before and you're subscribed, welcome back. In today's video, we are out exploring, and this place has a very special place in my heart. It's a very unique place that I like to call home because this was one of the first trails that I actually explored when I first started this channel. Back in the day, I think the truck was completely stock. I would come out here with my ATV, and now that my truck is completely outfitted, this is a place where I like to come and just kind of pretty much just relieve all the stress, kind of just venture out and relax and just have a good time. So I'm going to show you guys around. I'm going to show you guys some pretty unique places that this particular place has to offer, and we're going to get cooking. We're going to cook some meals and just hang out and have a good time. Now, before we get going, we are going to be airing down, and I am going to be airing down to about 14 psi because this place has some pretty technical, fun little areas that I like to tackle. So we're going to air down to 14 psi and we're going to get going. Let's go. So we are going to be airing down to 14 psi, and for those of you guys that are wondering what type of deflator I'm using, this is made by ARB, and it's probably one of the best deflators that I've used to date. I like it because it's very small, it's very simple to use, and it's pretty quick as well. So all you have to do is screw this in right here. You put the valve stem pin, you turn it, and basically what it does is it actually pulls the stem out with the pressure. So you keep twisting it. So once you know that the stem is out, you'll see that this little bar goes all the way out. All you do is pull this down and it deflates. So a cool little story about this place is that it used to be really popular back in the day, like in the 80s, because people were finding gold left and right. Now what happened is that it did get out of hand, and you had people doing it illegally without permits, and you'll find a bunch of different caves all over the mountains in this area. And for the most part, I want to say like 80% of them have been caved in or they have been blocked, but there's still a few that you can actually go all the way in, and it's pretty dangerous. So I don't recommend anybody going in there. I'm just gonna go to the ones that are blocked off, that way I can give you guys an idea of what these caves actually look like. So if you look really closely, there's one over there and there's another one next to it, there's another one right up top, but for the most part they are all over the place. And as you can see, guys, this place is absolutely beautiful. We got the Tacoma. But once we go look at those caves, we're gonna go close to that little mountain over there. We're gonna set up a nice little cooking area, and we're gonna eat some good food because I'm starving. Alright guys, so we made it to the first couple of caves here. As you can see them right here to my left. We'll go inside right now, but just take a good look at this amazing view that's right behind me. It gives you guys an idea how high up we are, and for the most part it's pretty safe. You just have to take your time and obviously air down your tires, put it on 4 high, and just cruise it on up. But enough yapping, and let's go inside and see what these caves are all about. It's really small in here. Check this place out though. Craziness. And this one right here is actually caved in. It looks like they did block it off. There's a bunch of tagging everywhere. Oh man. So now it's time to go to cave number 2. It's gonna be kind of a workout because I'm wearing this crazy hot plaid and it's really steep. but I want you guys to get a good idea of what this place is all about, and just to give you guys an idea of what nature is all about. I mean, you just want to explore, you want to have a good time. Nature is a perfect place to be at. It's crazy. If you see here, all this was blown up by dynamite. And this one actually goes further down in. And you can see this one's blocked off as well. I'm not sure if it's blocked off or they just kind of gave up and stopped digging. But man, if this mountain caves in, I'll practically just die. And like I said, when you're doing this type of exploring, you definitely have to be very careful, because all this stuff here is very brittle, and this can pretty much just cave in any day. For the most part, all these other caves are very similar. We have a little dove that just flew out of there, but for the most part, these are all the same. They are closed. Let's see this top one up here. But it's just very neat to be able to come out here and just see all this stuff. I mean, this is stuff that has been here for years and years and years, and you never know, maybe someone even found gold in here. But now that we're up here, guys, just enjoy this view with me. I'm very thankful for each and every one of you guys that allows me to do this for a living and just watch and support every video that I make. I can definitely promise you one thing: because you have subscribed to my channel, I will continue doing these adventure videos for you. That way you guys can just enjoy the peace and just enjoy this place and every place that I visit with me. So thank you so much for always watching, for subscribing. Enough said, let's go down there and eat some good food. Love you guys.
Hold up. Wait.
One thing that I love about my Scotto is when you first put the food on top of it, that sizzle that it makes. Ready? Oh my God. Yes! Alright guys, it's time to eat, and I'm gonna eat it right on the Scotto. I did turn off the propane already, so basically everything is just sizzling nice and warm. And let's dig in. So we're gonna try the steak. For those of you guys that know me pretty well and have been camping out with me, this is my favorite dish: steak and rice. So, oh my God. As you can see here, I did cook it medium well. We still have a couple areas where it's nice and pink. I'm saving those for later. That's going to be dessert. But for now, oh my God. This is so rewarding to me. I mean, just being able to come out here and explore, share this moment with you guys, and at the same time do what I love. I mean, this is what it's all about. And the food is also rewarding, you know, being out, sweating, running back and forth, getting these perfect shots for you guys, and to be able to just be able to sit down and wind down and enjoy some good food. I mean, doesn't get better than that. The views here are just amazing. Like I said earlier, this is one of those spots where it has a solid place in my heart, just because when I first started this off-roading, overlanding life or lifestyle, I never thought that it was going to become what it is today. And this place here is what started it all. It was this place, and there's another place back at home near Santa Ana. They call it the Children's Playground. And and that is Santiago Peak. These two places is what got everything started. Keep in mind, I did grow up doing this type of stuff. My dad would always take us out to Big Bear, national parks. We would always be fishing. So, it is in my blood, but to be able to do it again as I grow older, it's really, really just amazing to be able to do this. After a delicious meal, by the way, did it look good to you guys, the rice and the steak? Well, let me tell you something, it was really good, but enough about that. We're gonna be climbing up this little mountain here, and I'm gonna show you guys the views from up there. You guys ready? Let's go. This place is absolutely amazing. Would you guys agree? Alright guys, we just made it back down and now it's time to tear it down, put everything away. But if you guys are wondering what I'm using as far as cooking top, my utensils, my water system, my chair, all that good stuff, I did make a video about that. So make sure you guys go down below in the bio. I'll link it there. Watch it after this video and I hope all this helps. So right now that I was putting everything away, I realized, man, you know what? We are at 12,000 subscribers. These are all organic. I've never done a giveaway on YouTube before. And as a thank you to you guys, do you guys see this here? I'm going to be giving one of these away. This is pretty much my front runner utensil bag. It has everything from spoons, forks, tongs, knives, everything that you need when you go overlanding. And all you have to do to win is basically just comment down below how long have you been subscribed for, and if you're a new subscriber or you're not subscribed yet, you can subscribe and tell me what did you like about this video. And that's pretty much all you have to do. I'll choose a winner, I don't know, I want to say in the next couple of days. So go ahead and comment down below, make sure you subscribe, and good luck. So pretty cool fact about this particular road that I'm in. For those of you guys that are familiarized with King of the Hammers, this is one of the main roads that the racers take in order to complete the course. And let me tell you, I don't know how they get through this course at such high rate of speed. Man, props to you guys. All right, so I ran into Alan and Corey. How you guys doing?
Hey, social distancing. Yeah, we're like
hey, 6 feet away, guys.
Whoa.
But it turns out that they watch the channel, and it's pretty awesome to see you guys out here.
We watch the channel.
We do.
We love the snow runs. We love all the desert runs.
Awesome.
The beat is awesome, and the truck looks really good. You've done a good job.
It was nice seeing you guys. Thanks for everything. I'll see you guys around.
All right.
Later.
Peace.
All right, guys, heading back home, and man, there's a big puddle right there. It's calling my name, but man, I hate mud. Should we do it for the channel? Should we do it? Oh, we're gonna do it. No, psych. Now let's do it. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. That was a bad idea, guys. I'm gonna hate myself a little later. All right, guys, finally made it out. As you can see here by the loud ARB compressor, we are airing up. Finally gonna head home, but it was such a blast. We ran into a couple of people that watch his channel, which is crazy. I only got to film one because I got the permission, but for the most part, it was such a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do me a favor, tell a friend about the channel. If they have a Tacoma, tell a friend. Last but not least, a quick reminder, don't forget about the giveaway, that front runner utensil bag. I use it at all times, and I'm sure you would love to use it as well. So you already know, make sure you guys comment down below, make sure you guys subscribe, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.